Hi guys. Let's see how to check PowerShell version in Windows 10. Finding your PowerShell version helps you know what PowerShell features you have access to. A PowerShell command lets you reveal the version number, and we'll show you how to do this. To start, open the Start menu, search for Windows PowerShell, and click it in the search results. In the PowerShell window that opens, type the following command and then press Enter. PowerShell displays various numbers. Here, the first value that says PS version is your PowerShell version. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.